Hello, my name is Brandan Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based out of Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about your Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate yourself. Now, I had this issue come up recently, and I think it's a misunderstanding onto how people invoke this right and whether, if they've done it correctly, how it can impact their case or not. Now, everyone knows, and they're part of the Miranda Warning, is they're going to tell you about your right to remain silent. What they don't tell you is that you have to make some sort of unambiguous statement to assert that right. If you are questioned and the police start asking you questions and you don't unambiguously state that you want to invoke your Fifth Amendment right, then you can waive it through silence. How that works practically is a police officer will start asking you questions and you don't say anything, like, were you drunk driving? Did you shoot this person? Did you rob this person? Did you sell these drugs? Now, when those tough questions are asked, some prosecutors will try to use the silence as an admission. Basically say that you, by not standing up and saying, I invoke my Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate myself, that you are implicitly waiving that right, and that the silence to those questions that you were asked should somehow come into evidence against you. And there is some case law that says that that silence may be used against you. So, the information that you can be gleaned out of this case law is that you need to unambiguously assert your Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate yourself, and then remain silent. If a police officer starts asking you questions, you say, I want to assert my Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate myself. Also say, I want to assert my Sixth Amendment right to not be questioned without counsel present. If you make those two statements, then they won't be able to try to use the silence after those questions against you in court. If you have questions about your Fifth Amendment right, your Sixth Amendment right, your rights in general, or any criminal defense question, feel free to contact my office at 913-451-9500. Thanks.